Okay, so today we are going to make tissue paper flowers with, of course, tissue paper. We are going to turn this into this. So let's get started. We'll take a tissue paper, fold it into half and cut one half of it. Once we are done with it, we'll cut another half of it to get one square piece of tissue paper. We're going to fold it into half again, flatten it a bit. Then we're going to make folds in the form of a fan. To get something like this. But if we want smaller flowers, we'll take the other orientation. I recommend using the other orientation to get more denser flower petals. Now we have something like this. We'll take an iron wire or aluminium wire, whatever you have, and then we are going to adjust it into it, and then we are going to just adjust it a little bit to form the middle portion of it. We're going to secure this back by twisting it around. We're going to take a ply and cut the excess. Now we are going to make a circular portion at the end of the tissue paper to make it look like a petal. We get something like this. Now here comes the tricky part. We are going to open up the petals. Now since it's really delicate, this tissue paper, it might tear. Do not worry about it, because the flower is in the form of a clustered type of petal. It won't really matter, but be careful though. Take your time. We'll have something like this in the end. Now we are going to make the lower portion of it. I had a biological term for it, but I absolutely forgot it. So yeah. You can even vary the size of the tissue paper to form bigger or smaller flowers. Here we go. Thank you for watching, and that's it. You got your tissue paper, decorated it in your vase and or a small bottle. It's up to you. Bye.